Hi guys, David here from Think Renewable. One of the questions we're getting asked a lot is, should I invest in a solar battery to add to my existing solar system? Few reasons why it benefits our customers. Number one is the peak time and charges for electricity is in the evening between 4 and 9 p.m. This is if you're on a time of use tariff, this is when the prices are the highest. It's also probably when you're using the most power. So if you have a battery, you can store excess PV energy produced during the day instead of selling it back to the grid for falling feed-in tariff prices. You can store it in the battery and then use it in the evening when the prices are the highest. The second reason is blackouts. Obviously, sometimes the grid is unreliable and you get a power outage. Customers that have a battery are able to continue to use power in their home when the grid is down. And the third reason is it does add to the property value. So like a solar system adds value to the property, so does a solar battery. It's another appealing feature of the home if you ever do sell the house.